Namaste and hello friends, and welcome back to the video. Today we are going to do double leg raise. How to do the double leg raise in a beginner level, as rotating the legs together takes lots of strength from your core, your obliques and your legs muscles. So we are going to rotate the legs while keeping them apart and rotating them at the same time. So let's practice it together. Bring your feet together, interlocking the fingers over above your head. Inhale, lengthen your spine, toes towards you, then you can stretch the toes forward. After doing it couple of times, then exhale, release, keeping your arms by the side or support your back. Make sure you're not lifting your chin to look back, keeping your cervical region relaxed. You can adjust your body by looking up towards your toes, then align your body. On inhalation, bend your knees and lift your legs up if you have backache. Then you can do the rotation with bent knees, else bring them down. Inhale, legs up, straight up. Exhalation towards the gravity, inhalation against the gravity. Exhalation towards the gravity. You can stretch your heels out to get the stretch. Inhalation against the gravity. You can do these rotation 8 times, 10 times or 15 times according to your body strength. Make sure you're not going to tense your body throughout your rotations. Once you are done with your rotations, breathe at the center for few seconds. Either you can go anti-clock or you just come down. Take couple of deep breaths so the body can be relaxed, and prepare yourself mentally for the anti-clock rotation. Now get ready for the anti-clock. Inhale, up, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Shoulders relax, chin is not lifted, and exhale completely down. Once your legs are down, then your legs apart, arms apart, breathe. Now we are going to do the rotation without support. Now get ready. Double leg raise without support. Chin tucked, feet together. Inhale, bring your legs up. Synchronize your breath. On exhalation, going down. Inhale, up. For more stretch, you can stretch your heels and stretch your toes. Inhale, exhale, then anti-clock. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Make sure throughout this time you're not tensing your body. You can lie down in Shavasana or Shushupta Baddha Konasana, lying down butterfly. Flapping the legs will relax your core, your hip muscles and your legs muscles. Also your oblique muscles are getting relaxed. Once you feel the body is relaxed completely, then you can lie down in Shavasana. With your legs apart, arms apart, you can gently roll your head side by side if you feel there is a pressure on your neck and on your shoulder region. Gently inhale, exhale, drop your head towards one side. Inhale, exhale, opposite side. The main thing in leg raising exercise is synchronization of body, breath and mind. Make sure you are not rushing while doing the legs rotations. Hope to see you in next video. Keep practicing, stay healthy and happy. Take care.